How to add XRP wallet to Metamask. Let's get started. First up, update Metamask. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Metamask. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into the account. You will be directed to this page. Now at the top left, you're gonna find this icon. Click on it. With that, you're gonna find different network option. Select BNB Smart Chain Mainnet. You have switched to BNB Smart Chain. Click on OK. With that, it will be available over here. Now what you have to do is click on this plus option given over here, import option. Now here you're gonna find this search option. Type in XRP. With that, XRP token will be available. Now check in for it and click on next. Now click on the option import. And just with that, you have imported XRP wallet in your Metamask account. So this way you can easily add XRP wallet to Metamask. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.